In the previous session, we created this bouncing ball. Now we want to save this animated ball as a preset. The next time we need this animation, apply it to our ball with a simple click so we don't have to animate it from the beginning. To save the preset, first select the ball layer. Press U to see its frames. Select all these frames and from the animation menu, select Save Animation Preset option. Open Document, Adobe folder, After Effects 2022 and save it inside the User Preset folder. Choose a suitable name for this preset. For example, type Bouncing Ball and click Save. Now suppose we have created a new project. Draw a circle. Choose red color for this circle. In order for this animation to be applied correctly on the circle, its anchor point must be exactly below the ball. In the Effect and Preset panel, open the first option, Animation Preset. Open User Presets and drag the Save preset and drop it on the circle layer like this. Zoom in on the timeline. Set CTI to 1 second and hit N. Now if I play the animation, you will see that the same animation that we created in the previous session has been applied to this circle. With this, these keyframes are created automatically. This option is very useful for saving animations that are very difficult to make and are widely used. We can save them in the User Preset section, and next time we need this animation, it will be applied with a simple click.